In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices on Xero, all in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and start by logging into your Xero accounting software. Begin by navigating to the Xero login page where you'll enter your email and password. Once you've typed in your credentials, click that login button and you'll be directed straight to your dashboard. Now, once you're at your dashboard, the next step is to find your company name listed at the top. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select Settings. This is the hub where you can adjust various components of your Xero account. Look for Invoice Settings and click on it, which will direct you to the section specifically designed for invoice customization. When you're in the Invoice Settings, look for the new branding theme option and click on it. Here's where you're going to start the customization process. Click on Custom.docx, which will allow you to customize the invoice template. Now, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your branding theme. Choose something descriptive that will help you recognize it later. Once you've named it, simply click OK to proceed. The system will then generate a default template which you can download. Now, it's time to customize. Open the downloaded template in a word processor like Microsoft Word. This is where your creativity comes in. Adjust fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand's identity. Take your time to ensure every detail reflects your business's style. Once satisfied with your design, save the file and head back to Xero. You will now need to upload your customized template. Click on Upload and select your file from where you saved it. Once uploaded, click Invoice Browser to manage and preview your newly customized invoice design. Make sure everything looks perfect. Finally, to ensure everything is set and you're ready to use your new invoice, click on Upload once more. This final upload step confirms that your template is live and ready to go. And that's it, you've successfully customized your invoices on Xero. Not only does this process help in reinforcing your brand identity, but it also adds a professional touch to your business communications. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial, and happy invoicing with your newly customized templates on Xero.